But see, when you plant them in a single row, you don't get the pollination.
Oh, that's where I must have gone wrong.
All right, team, quarterly review prep. How we tracking?
Real good. The whole solar power sector's been rolling strong for 2 quarters now.
Okay, so we think it's gonna hold? That really is exciting.
It's exciting if you're not the one sourcing the bill of materials for all the additional units.
The majority of the new demand is coming from the US based on the new tax incentives in California and Michigan. It's here to stay.
And it's looking like it might move to other states, yeah?
Uh-huh.
If you really think this is the new normal, we need to ramp production. How would running additional shifts impact our operational cash flow?
I'll ping Kelly in FP&A and we can see what she comes back with. But between the added profit margin on the new design and the increased sales, I think we should be looking pretty good. Kelly says cash is not a problem. Looks like we can ramp by 20% and still meet our cash obligations.
That was fast.
Machine learning. It's built right into our forecasting now. We can optimize cash practically in real time.
So what about Skybo? Last quarter you were pretty excited about the possibility of acquiring them. What's our latest thinking on that?
It's more than just thinking at this point. We've been doing a bunch of long-term scenario planning based on all the recent changes.
Sounds complicated.
It is, unless you have embedded data science models. Based on what's been happening this week, conditions are favorable to pull the trigger sooner than later.
Sounds great. Just remember, we don't want to get overextended. Procurement is keeping up with demand right now, but I've been a little concerned about a monocrystalline cell supply.
Well, you're in luck, Paul. Skybo's main business is manufacturing cast monocrystalline silicon cells.
That would simplify things on my end.
Okay, sounds like we can kill 2 birds with 1 Skybo.
I'll tell my team to prep for an acquisition. Let's light this candle.
Finance professionals can spend less time analyzing and more time acting on opportunities with embedded machine learning in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications.
Paul, are you smiling?
Believe me, I'm as surprised as you are.
Just wanted to make sure I didn't have to call the paramedics.